Got too much on your plate? Always feel like you're taking on too much? Then today's video might be for you. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for being here. After 3 years in strategic coach, which for anyone looking for personal and professional development, I would highly recommend, I did learn a lot of great things. One principle in particular that they teach near the beginning, it didn't really stick with me until a conversation I had with my dad. And it dawned on me that sometimes it isn't the message, it is the delivery. So here to graciously help me with today's video is the International Jugglers Association 2020 Online Festival Juniors Champion, David Consolo. Please welcome him by hitting the like button for me. As Strategic Coach teaches, you can have everything, just not all at once. That is, if you focus in too many directions or on too many projects, you're unlikely to reach the intended result with any of them. Now, I have heard this described many ways before, including the description of trying to chase two rabbits at once, which, let's be honest here, was probably also something my dad said. But more recently, my dad talked about juggling, and how a juggler starts with 2 or 3 balls and starts feeling pretty confident with himself. So then he adds a 4th ball and gets pretty good at that. And then he adds a 5th and a 6th and a 7th ball and is feeling good, but just barely. But what happens when he adds too much? What happens if he adds an 8th ball? Is he just gonna drop that ball? No, he ends up dropping them all. That is, everything suffers when you're overloaded, overworked, and your time and attention are divided in too many directions. So while you may think that adding just one more thing in your life, whether personally or professionally, is only risking that one thing, you're likely fooling yourself. A very special thank you to David for helping me out. You can check the description for more information on him. And that's it for me for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, or at the very least learned something. If you did, hit the like button for me and let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Other than that, thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.